Shooting at 10 yards this morning, I tried another 5 dome pellets. Quite pleased with the results of all 5 again. Compared to the other ones, they've done rather well. The super field, ragged 1-hole group. It's in a bit of an angle there, but all the pellets were touching sort of thing. It produced a single hole, but not separate holes. The day state, that was a large clover leaf. The AA, that produced distinctive separate holes. And the long range gold, that was definitely opened up a bit. And the field target trophy, that was opened up a little bit as well. But overall, when you look at the size of them, they're all very close. Maybe the long range gold is the furthest apart, but to me that's all acceptable. I moved out to 20 yards, and the super field, it was almost the same. Different angle. That one was pointing down and to the right. That is pointing up and to the right, so a little bit strange, but remain the same sort of group. The day state, that definitely opened up a little bit compared to the 10 yards. That was very close. This one is definitely opened up. The air arms, I'm not sure if that's a flyer or a pulled shot, but where those holes were distinctly different, those two there, a little bit on the touching side, close you can say, but we got the odd one here. And the long range gold, that produced a tighter group. Obviously different trigger control, just a different time shooting, but it just showed that the group could have improved at the 10 yards, and it certainly was a good group at the 20. And the field target trophy, that was about the same as the 10-yard one. So a nice large clover leaf. So overall, all the 5 pellets tried today, I'm quite pleased with, so I should try these further on.